And again, let us all be reminded that we are not born just to earn for a living, but to make a difference in the life of others. To God be all the glory.
I am Dr. Ronel Ibanez, and welcome to Asia's Golden Icon Awards Live. When we hear the word icon, what comes to your mind? An icon is someone who is widely admired, especially for having great influence and significance to a particular sphere. The word icon comes from the Greek word ekinai, meaning to seem or to be like. It describes a person closely linked to remarkable idea, influence, or impact to community or people. Asia's Golden Icon Awards Live is a platform where we celebrate milestone, life, and achievements of iconic individual, organization, or company to become a beacon of inspiration to our viewers. Today, I am honored to have in my show the founder and the man behind the company who will receive the title as Asia's Outstanding Real Estate Developer, the Director of Land Keepers OPC, Engineer Ryan Voltaire Tolentino. Good afternoon, Engineer.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, how's your day?
Fine, sir, fine. This is a big opportunity to me that this event is a big track record for me to know
Thank you.
the Asia.
And you are in Davao right now, sir?
Yes, the 30
All right.
area.
So, Engineer, the first question, how does it feel to be one of the awardees of Asia's Golden Icon Awards?
So masabi ko lang ha, yung nag-receive ako ng ganitong award, hindi na ako makatulog. Sa sobrang saya, kasi yung nanomini ako or na-select ako dito sa award na to, sa Golden Icon Award, hindi ako na-expect talaga. Kasi first time ko kasi itong nag-receive ng award, lalo na as a new developer dito sa Davao City. No? So, yun na nga, sobrang happy ako, sobrang ako natuwa, at saka hindi ako makatulog. Kaya isip, na? Kasi big track record ito sa kumpanya ko kasi na once naka-receive na ako ng ganitong award, so maraming nag-invite sa akin, nakilala nila yung kumpanya ko kahit saan, kahit outside Philippines. So, nandito ako na napasalamat talaga sa Golden Icon Award. So, maraming talaga sa awards kasi nagiging track record sa akin to.
Wow, nice answer. Engineer, thank you for that. And actually, that's our objective, no? Na lalong makilala, no? Mag-shine, ma-showcase talaga po ang ating mga awardees. Now, before I will proceed, I would like to inform our viewers, Engineer, that they could win, no? A 500 pesos GCash, no? Just simply type your name or just simply comment in the comment section your name and contact number, no, sa atin pong YouTube account. Again, sa ating YouTube channel, Asia's Golden Icon Awards. So sa mga nanonood po sa atin sa ating Facebook page, please visit and make a comment po sa ating YouTube account. Again, the question would be, what is the award title being given, no, to land keepers? So it has been mentioned earlier ang kanilang award title. You may now answer sa ating comment section po sa YouTube account natin. All right. Now, next question, Engineer. Who or what is your motivation in achieving all these achievements?
Okay, magandang tanong yan, no? Ang achievement kasi namin ito is yung number one yung goal, no? Goal ng company. Lalo na sa mga support, lalo na sa mga staff ko, mga engineer ko na naging suporta, then yung family ko na tumutulong sa kumpanya na kahit mayroong risk, pinapasukan ko talaga. Kasi yung business kasi natin, hindi naman parati kita eh. Meron kasing time na merong down, meron ding kita ka. So, yung goal ko lang talaga ito na siyempre, mapasukan ko talaga itong business na to na magiging win ito sa, hindi lang sa Davao City, saka lalabas ka ng Davao at saka sa ibang bansa. Yun na, sir.
Wow. Wow, we are with you, no, in your vision, engineer. So again, sa ating mga viewers, we are reminding them to answer the question in our YouTube account, and at the end of the program, we will announce the winner po through a raffle, no? So through spin. Now, back to you, engineer. Question is, in your industry, what do you think is the best way in achieving success?
Ako, ano yan? Yung achieving task kasi, number one, yung support ng mga tao. No? Kasi marami akong tao, marami akong engineers, architects na nasusuporta ng kumpanya. Lalo na sa mga business partners ko, mga investors, business sa negosyo ko, tapos meron din akong mga suppliers. Kasi kung wala to sila, wala talagang hindi aangat yung land keepers. Kasi tumutulong talaga to sila lahat. So naging successful ang company dahil sa cooperation at teamwork.
Yeah, actually, I love what you've said, engineer, no, yung support from your people. Kasi totoo yan, no man is an island. So, kailangan talaga yung collaboration na sinasabi mo, and nakita naman natin, given na napalaki mo ang company mo, you really have that leadership. So, thank you for that, engineer. We will have a short break, but before that, let us know more about Asia's Golden Icon Awards 2023 by watching this video. All right, guys, mark your calendar for this upcoming event, June 2 at Waterfront Hotel, Cebu City, the Asia's Golden Icon Awards 2023. You can watch the live stream through our YouTube channel and Facebook page. Once again, we have today Engineer Ryan Tolentino, the Director of Land Keepers OPC. So, Engineer Ryan, how do you define success? That would be the next question to you. For you, how do you define success?
Okay, magandang tanong sir, kasi success. Kasi, ma-define ko success talaga, dadaan ka muna sa lahat ng pagsubok, failure, at saka lahat ng madugong trabaho bago ka magiging successful. Kasi lahat yan, dinadaanan ko lahat yan bago naging successful ang Land Keepers OPC. Kasi dati sir, bago ako naging developer, contractor pa ako. For 5 years ako naging contractor. So, try and trial ako ng mga projects kahit mahirap kumita, mahirap mangolekta ng pambayad sa trabahoan namin. Lahat yan, dinaanan ko yan. So, bago ako naging developer, marami pa rin trial ang dinaanan. At sa ngayon, naging successful na. Dahil sa isa ring pagdadasal. Sa tulong ng grupo ko, sa tulong ng mga tao ko, at saka hindi natin malimutan yung Panginoong Diyos.
Yan. Actually, I like what you've said, Engineer, no? Unang-una, sabi mo nga, talagang pinagdaan mo ang katakot-takot na mga problema. Pinagdaanan mo ang mga failure. But I think everyone will agree on that. Kasi wala naman pong negosyo na bigla na lang nag-shoot up, right? And pangalawa, apart from that, na-recognize nyo po ang support talaga, ang tulong, ang contribution ng iyong mga empleyado, na sabi mo nga, pati ang mga engineers mo, and of course, the divine intervention, because truly without God, no, wala naman talaga tayong magagawa. I like your answer, Engineer, and inspire sa iba pa nating mga businessmen, no, ang iyong sagot ay magbigay ng inspirasyon pa sa kanila. Now, the last question, Engineer, because I will not take too much of your time, no? Now, the last question is, how will this prestigious award helps you? Paano ito makakatulong sa iyo at sa company mo, itong award na naibigay sa iyo?
Ito sir, magandang opportunity kasi itong mga award. Kasi yung pinasukan ko na yung award, lalo na sa Golden Icon Award, marami na ako inquiry sa company, no? Marami nang tumatawag, marami na nag-email, nag-inquire ng project namin, kailan ibenta, magkano yung housing lot. So, yung mga ganyan, no? Then, marami nang pumapasok sa amin ng mga investors sa mga ibang bansa, no? So, dito ang magandang track record na nakareceive ako ng award, lalo na sa Golden Icon. So maganda talaga opportunity na hindi ko talaga pinagsisihan to kasi na-well-known talaga ang Land Keepers OPC, hindi na sa Davao, labas ng Davao na-well-known na rin, pati sa ibang bansa.
Wow! Thank you so much, Engineer Ryan! We are truly inspired by your story and your wisdom. We look forward in having you in the award ceremony of Asia's Golden Icon Awards on June 2 at Waterfront, Cebu. Last po, sa mga gusto mo pong message or mensahe po sa iyong mga followers, sa mga buyers, of course, sa iyong mga stakeholders, you may now have the floor, Engineer.
Okay, magpasalamat lang ako, number one, sa big boss ko. Ibig sabihin yung asawa ko, no?
Wow.
Kasi hindi ako maging successful dahil sa kanya, no? So kasi dumaan talaga kami from zero na magiging successful kami, no? Second, suporta ng mga tao ko, lalo na sa project manager ko, construction manager, mga heads ko, at saka mga inspector, at saka yung mga design team ko. So maraming salamat sa inyo kasi hindi niyo ako pinabayaan, tinutulungan niyo ako kahit mahirap yung mag-umpisa sa project. Lalo na sa design stage, masyadong mahirap talaga. Pero, tinapos na rin to. Na hindi lang ako mag-isa, tinulungan natin tong isang team. No? Tapos, ikalawa, magpasalamat din ako sa pamilya ko na sumusuporta sa akin. Hindi nila pinabayaan, try and try talaga hanggang maging successful. Kasi may time talaga sir na sumusuko na ako eh. No? Pero sinuportahan talaga ako ng huwag kang suko, kaya natin to. Then yung lahat ng suppliers namin, contractors, saka yung mga business partner namin, maraming salamat sa inyo kasi nandyan kayo, sumusuporta, tumutulong sa Land Keepers OPC. So maraming salamat sir.
All right. Thank you so much, Engineer Ryan Voltaire Tolentino, Director of Land Keepers OPC. But before we will end this show, let us find out who will win the 500 pesos GCash, which will be displayed in our Spin the Win. All right. Who would be the winner? Who will be the winner? Let us see. All right. Let's see who will be the winner. Wow, congratulations to James Kagiwa. Congratulations. You have 500 pesos GCash. This concludes our show. This is Dr. Nel Ibanez, reminding everyone that we are not born just to earn for a living, but to make a difference in the life of others. To God be all the glory. See you again next time. Have a great day, everyone. Thank you.
Thank you.